Good evening, friends. Today's the topic is electromagnetic inductions. What is magnetic flux? Magnetic flux is the magnetic lines of force linked through a unit area, or it is the dot product of magnetic field and area of the surface. Phi is equal to B capital A cos omega t. The unit of flux is Weber and Maxwell. 1 over is equal to 10 to the power 8 Maxwell. Okay. Then comes to Faraday's law of electromagnetic inductions. First law. Whenever magnetic flux linked through the coil changes, then EMF induced in the coil, and this will continue till the flux changes. Second law, the induced EMF developed in the coil is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. E is equal to d phi by dt. Okay. Then comes to Lentz's law. The Lentz's law is tell about the nature of the induced EMF. Okay. It is stated as the direction of induced current is always opposed the cause. The direction of induced current is always opposed the cause which it is due. The cause here the cause is change in magnetic flux. So induced EMF can be written as E is equal to minus d phi by dt. For single coil, for n turn of coil E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. Okay. The factor on which the magnetic flux depends. It depends upon three factors mainly: magnetic field, area of the surface, and angle between B and A. Angle between B and A. If area of the coil changes, then induced EMF becomes E is equal to BLV. B is the magnetic field, L is the length of the conductor, V is the speed. Okay. Then comes to clear. Up to this, then comes to what is the nature of the induced EMF? What type of current is developed? When magnetic flux changes, the induced current is the alternating current. Due to change in angle between B and A, the induced current developed, which is given by E is equal to E naught sin omega t, where E naught is the maximum value or peak value, which is given by BAN omega. B is the magnetic field, A is the area of the coil, N is the number of turn, omega is the angular velocity or angular frequency, whatever you take. So E is equal to N. So this is the nature of induced current, is the alternating current or alternating EMF. Okay. Then comes to self-inductions. Self-induction, it is the property of a coil which opposes the change in flux, it is the property of a coil which opposes the growth of current in the coil by inducing EMF in itself. Here, current is the key factors. As you know from previous chapter, when I changes, then B changes. So here flux change depend upon the current changes. So phi is proportional to I. Phi is equal to Li, capital Li. L is the coefficient of self-inductance. L is the coefficient of self induced. Then its induced EMF can be given by E is equal to minus L di by dt. What is L? L is the coefficient of self inductance, is a constant. Its unit is Henry. Its unit is Henry. Then comes to eddy current. It is the induced current developed in the body of the conductors. It can be produced when magnetic flux linked through